Hi there. I bet we've all experienced this when we lost our favorite chicken from our enclosure, either when she flew away or found a hole where she could run out. So this, today, is a simple trap, how to catch them without hurting them, and then you can release them back in your area, in your private area. I'm gonna show you how this trap works. It's very simple. It is a bit beaten up, but it still works. I need to give it a bit of a refurbishment, but it still does its job. Let me show you. So here we have a normal spring with a pin. You can do it yourself, even the spring was done by myself. And here we have a clasp to keep the spring down. So we pull this up, and the spring is active. The spring has a rope. The string is connected to a pressure plate, which coincidentally it's a ventilator cover. We had to do a bit of MacGyver style. And then, when it is pressured, before to activate the door, we need to insert this pin into a hole I made into the door. Let me show you better. So we have the pin attached to the spring, which in turn it's kept in check by this metal piece which holds the rope to the pressure plate. The door is on a couple of hooks, eyelet hooks. So when a chicken goes, usually what I use is I put a bit of corn here and a bit of corn there. It's like watching a Tom and Jerry film. Usually I put a straight line of corn going outwards. Now I'm gonna show you how it works. Let me find a piece of wood, and when hopefully you'll see it in action. And that is how it grows down. Let me show you again how the action of the spring works. One last thing, the longer the cage, the better. If you make it shorter, you have a high chance that the guillotine door will fall on the chicken. If there is a very low chance of hurting it, when the pressure plate is further in. That's why it is here. You can make it as long as you want. The longer the strap is, the better. I suggest around 50 or 60 centimeter, and the pressure plate somewhere in the middle. The door doesn't need to be that heavy, but it has to glide freely when it drops. That's why it is a bit heavy, because it is a bit made with what I found in my shed. This week I've caught a runaway rooster, and hopefully it will work even for you. As I told you, this has to be one of the least traps which damages your poultry. It's better than running with nets, as there is a chance of even the chicken or rooster will fly even further away. Best to put this and let it there, and put it in somewhere shady, where if the chicken caught or the rooster caught won't get sunburned or sun roasted. Which one is it best? Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.